Nano basically is as of now at the number 185 position in the digital currency market. It generally had an AF of $37.62 on Jan 02, 2018, while the really current cost is just $0.8537, somewhere near 97.71% from its AF. Has the XNO token lost its appeal? Will Nano recuperate from now on? Figure out replies to every one of these and other important questions in our Nano value forecast, and considerably more. In view of our XNO expectations for the year 2023, the coin might have least and greatest costs of around 74 cents and $1.81, separately in a truly significant way. The XNO crypto is supposed to have least and greatest costs of around $2.10 and $3.03, separately, according to our Nano coin cost expectation 2025. Our Nano token cost expectation 2030 shows that the likely high of the coin might be $10.68, with an in every practical sense possible extremely low of $7.42 in the crypto market. What sort of is Nano crypto? Nano is a computerized installment convention that is intended to be genuinely lightweight and open, which is very critical. The emphasis is on eliminating the failures present in other digital forms of money. The point is to bring Nano crypto into individuals' day-to-day routines. Nano means to play out its blockchain exchanges in a lot quicker and more adaptable way than Bitcoin, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. It truly was likewise planned with new information structures and different instruments to acquire a few benefits over other computerized coins. The insignificant block size permits the Nano to do lightweight correspondence, subsequently lessening the exchange affirmation times and making it quicker, or so they thought. Without the conventional confirmation of work and mining, hubs utilize altogether commonly less energy per exchange. It is, in that sense, a greener choice than the opposition in a significant manner. Nano involves a design for each block, which contains all the data about the bookkeeper by then. Each block likewise incorporates a little client-created confirmation of work esteem, a COS prioritization instrument permitting a periodic client exchange to process at quick paces. This exchange requires some investment of especially a couple of moments, seconds to be executed on present-day computer processors in a significant manner. This especially lightweight design makes Nano super quick. Nano additionally has an inventive agreement component called Open Agent Casting a Ballot, ORV. In this, a record can pick an agent to decide for the client's sake, regardless of whether the designating account itself is disconnected. These records are designed on hubs that stay online for a critical piece of time and decision on the legitimacy of exchanges they buy and large C on the organization. This is one more element of the Nano coins which separates them from the opposition. With no direct financial impetus for the hubs, this makes a superior future for the organization's decentralization in an unobtrusive manner. In light of our Nano cost expectation, a for the most part long-haul increment isn't normal. The Nano cost conjecture for long-term end is $0.688. The ongoing cost of Nano cryptographic money basically is exchanging above 84 cents. According to our Nano cost conjecture, the coin could raise a ruckus around town value level of 76 cents. And the greatest value level of $1.87. The genuinely normal value level of Nano for the truly current year may be around $1.74. According to our Nano cost expectation, as opposed to prevalent thinking, Nano cost has been showing a rising propensity, and it very well may be a decent portfolio expansion for what's in store. The future cost of Nano truly is anticipated at $5.13347396662 after the ongoing year, as indicated by our Nano cost expectation. As per our specialized examination on past value information of Nano, in 2023, the cost of Nano is essentially anticipated to stretch around its obstruction level of $1.15. The Nano cost can generally arrive at the most exorbitant cost degree of $1.19, with a typical cost of $1.07, according to our transient estimate. According to the venture exhortation from the monetary consultants, the crypto costs are anticipated to be ill-fated on account of the absence of national banks to direct it, and having no real worth. This was trailed by gigantic selling and a cost change, as short dealers likewise began to dump the virtual monetary standards and explicitly sell Nano. It certainly is protected to say that assuming that the coin mirrors an upturn and returns to its untouched high, it will probably generally continue a pattern that other digital currencies will likewise continue on the lookout. Clients need to carry out specialized examination for exchanging, They can attempt to go for the gold floods past the help reach and accept their benefit when the spike is noticed, and assuming that there is no cost unpredictability, attempt to take their benefits there. The thought is to allow the unpredictability to settle prior to selling the resource, or so they thought. Swing exchanging systems could likewise, in every way that really matters, be executed in the wake of doing appropriate examination and following the most recent news, specialized investigation, Nano value forecasts, and market refreshes. Nano Coin Value Forecast 2023. In the year 2023, the greatest cost could stretch around $1.81, while the base cost could truly be around 74 cents, and the typical cost might be around $1.27. In light of our Nano expectations, all the cost levels basically mirror the indication of an expansion in the cost. XNO Value Forecast 2024. There is plausible of long-haul acquiring potential by seeing the ongoing cost rise. As per our Nano conjecture, the cost could arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.36, while the base level might be $1.64. Simultaneously, a typical level is expected to, in a real sense, be around $2 in the year 2024 in a very large way. Nano Value Expectation 2025. According to our Nano figure 2025, the cost of XNO could arrive at a greatest cost of $3.03 in the year 2025, while the especially least and normal costs may be around $2.10 and $2.56 individually. On the off chance that the cost arrives at the greatest level, it will be valuable for venture purposes. Nano Crypto Value Forecast 2026. In view of the Nano coin cost expectation, the Nano cost could go up to $3.92 in the year 2026, with a by and large lease cost of $2.72. Simultaneously, the typical worth may be around $3.32. Best of all, Nano is sensibly protected, open source, and it tends to be utilized any place on the planet. Nano Expectation 2027. Taking a gander at the Nano Value Forecast and specialized investigation, it tends to be guessed that the greatest worth of XNO might be around $5.07. Simultaneously, the previous presentation additionally proposes that the base and normal qualities might be $3.52 and $4.30, which is very critical. XNO Crypto Value Forecast 2028. When it is 2028, our Nano crypto cost expectation recommends that the potential low and exorbitant cost might be $4.50 and $6.48. Simultaneously, the token could have a for the most part normal cost of $5.49. Nano Value Expectations 2029. In light of the Nano coin cost forecast, the symbolic will exchange at a limit of $8.29, and in every way that really matters, least of $5.76 in a significant way, while the typical worth of the